Hello everyone, my name is Ignacio Alanis Moreno, and I'm gonna pitch my idea of a startup project, EcoFoam, the earth-friendly soundproofing. So the reason I started this project is because I wanted to create a company with products that had a message. And what better message is there nowadays than to keep the earth clean? To give you guys the main idea of what I'm talking about, I want to talk to you about the problem I'm trying to solve. Cigarette tails, or cigarette butts, as many of you may know. These can contaminate a lot of our environment because of the chemicals that they still have inside when they are thrown away. These can also reach bodies of water and cause problems to living creatures. And the other problem relating to my product is that soundproofing can be really expensive if you need the best quality of noise reduction foam. For you to understand what I'm talking about, I've prepared a presentation that shows everything that has to do with my product, and at the end I will be talking about why you should invest in my idea. My company will be one that recycles cigarette tails and creates acoustic foam commonly used in the music and audio recording fields. My vision: to create a company that focuses on taking care of the environment, cleaning every single cigarette to make the most out of it, and bring some of the cheapest and best noise cancelling and quality proven acoustic foams in the market. My goals are to eliminate an enormous amount of plastic waste in the cities and countrysides, incentivize recycling among smokers and non-smokers all around the globe. The company would focus mainly on the chemical decomposition, manufacturing, installing, and maintenance of the acoustic foam sheets. Acoustic foam is a lightweight material made from polyurethane foam, either polyether or polyester, and also extruded melamine foam. It is usually cut into tiles, often with pyramid or wedge shapes, which are suited to placing on the walls at a recording studio or a similar type of environment, to act as a source of absorbing, thus enhancing the sound quality within a room. Acoustic foam reduces or eliminates echoes and background noises by controlling the reverberation that sound can make bouncing off walls. Workspace and progress. The company wouldn't have to be bigger than a 20 to 30 person staff, including sound engineers, professional finance planners, acoustic researchers, marketing planners, and indoor installers. The creation of the foam would be provided by a partner company. Nowadays, more and more people buy these kinds of foam. From podcasts to YouTube videos to music and even audiobook recordings. An essential workspace of any type of acoustic activity should include acoustic foam. It is not cheap either. Some of the sheets range from 1,000 to 8,000 pesos. Reduce noise pollution. Just like light, sound waves can pass through even the smallest hole or opening in holes, walls, or any material. Acoustic foam are installed to reduce noise pollution, as they remove echoes and background sounds not by blocking the sound, but by absorbing it. Enhance sound quality. Acoustic foams are cut in tiles with pyramid or wedge shapes. They work not only to absorb sounds, but also to enhance the quality of sound and speech in a room. Dealing with both mid and high frequencies at the same time, acoustic foam can also be counted as a type of cost-friendly heat reduction facility that is placed in the corners of the room or wherever optimal sound mixes are needed as bass traps to minimize sound echoes. Improve room design. Some homeowners consider acoustic foams to their music studio or work areas so they can have more privacy and concentration in doing their task or craft. Acoustic foam is made from open-cell polyurethane foam, and this can provide better aesthetic looks even when it comes to room designs. The best competitive strategy: recycling. The gesture that we see almost every day of throwing cigarette butts to the ground is causing serious environmental consequences to the planet, and 65% of cigarettes consumed end their life on the pavement, or worse, on the seas. Getting the product up for the samples was not a especially difficult task, especially considering that they have already become 30% of the world's garbage, ahead of containers, bottles, and bags. There is a machine where the cigarette butts are introduced and the acoustic absorption coefficient of the different samples is measured. With or without paper, more caked or less, of different brands, disintegrated by hand, or with clean filters purchased in a tobacconist, among many other tests. However, all yielded an excellent result. A tenured professor of the University of Extremadura in the area of applied physics says they reach almost 1, the maximum. That is, they absorb a lot.
Foam panels which look like this. Now, as you can see, these things come in all kinds of shapes, colors, and sizes, but their main function is to eliminate echoes. And if you don't believe in the power of foam, watch this. Let's hear that again, because that's really incredible.
Marketing plan. Online and publicity. Provide every big city and music industries with physical publicity and social network sharing from our product and installment services. Also, making it available in house departments like Home Depot and Lowe's. Online ads and TI can be used to advertise it to the right people, and environmental campaigns can be started to recycle more and create more. Creation of foam. Affiliate with applied acoustics or other research facilities to create the material from the smoke's leftovers and the process of manufacturing. The market. Create new publicity campaigns around streets and music clubs all around the world to let them know about the product. Show the benefits of recycling and selling it at a reasonable price.
3M damage-free poster strips.
Financial plan. Summary. Begin by using some money from the bank. Apply 60% of all earnings to 2 things: environmental awareness plans and movements, and manufacturing of new foam products. Use the rest of the money to pay the staff members of the company, bill payments, and external salaries.
The investors will only spend money helping to create a business startup bank account and purchasing the machines needed in order to get the train rolling. So in conclusion, this idea is a one-of-a-kind product created by this new market trend, which also benefits the earth and all the producers, singers, influencers, and even smokers all around the world. The money that could be earned from this business and the message sent to the city streets would be the biggest reward the investors will get. This, making this product a reality, and even starting its own competitive market along the way, would be a very well-made decision if you ask me.